Hootsuite. Okay, everyone. The reason you're here today is because you truly are the best minds we have on offer. And today, we're going to try out Hootsuite's new AI tool, OwlyWriter AI. Anyone here know what AI is? Yep, what is it? Tell me.
Artificial intelligence.
That's artificial intelligence. Yes, anyone else?
It kind of like replicates like a human.
Yeah, it's like that. And we need to write some social posts to promote the launch. So first off, we need to get the customers to sign up to our email mailing list. Any suggestions from the table? Oh, yep.
What's a mailing list?
Great question. Oh, what would you say?
By advertising cute rat.
Cute rats. Put cute rats on the board. Cute rat. I love rats. Yeah, right here.
Intelligent species that would normally be quite dumb.
Why don't we put smart rats? So we got cute rats, smart rats. End of the table, yep.
Silly rats.
Silly rats, okay. Okay, I think that's enough. What tone? We can choose friendly, luxury, relaxed, professional. Professional? Yeah. I can tell you're all professional. So let's go with professional, and we'll let the computer do its thing. Okay, be the first one to join our mailing list and get amazing tips and tricks to make your rat smarter, cuter, sillier, and dumber. Yeah, that was perfect. That was great. It worked. It was so many things. Create something out of all of our prompts. That's pretty good. Okay, so we've got a big spring sale coming up. What would you put on the poster to get people to come to your sale?
You can also get free lunches.
Free lunches. Everyone loves free lunch. Yeah, over here.
If you come, you get one speck of grass.
One speck of grass? That's it? You're frugal with your grass. Okay, end of the table.
If you come, you get to pet my dog.
Pet my dog this time. Okay, love it. Who wants to choose the tone? Call some out.
Wait, luxury.
Let's see if we break the system.
Beep, beep, beep.
Boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, boop. Okay, it's time to take advantage of the spring sale, and there's no better way than with a free lunch, one seed of grass, and a luxurious petting of my pup. Hashtag treat yourself. Sounds great. That's not bad. Makes sense in a lot of ways. Okay, who wants to try it? Let's go. Come on, come up.